What's up, guys? In today's video we're doing some reviewing. We're going to be reviewing the new e.l.f. Beauty Shield Daily Defense Makeup Mist. Well, it's not really new, but this as well as their Mattifying Balm. So stay tuned if you want to see how they work out and how I got to the look. Love you. Smooches. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be reviewing the it's not new actually, it's new to me, but it's the HD Mattifying Balm by e.l.f. It's like a mattifying balm that you can use. It's basically like a primer, and you're supposed to be able to use it on top of your makeup as well. So that, along with this e.l.f. Beauty Shield Antioxidant Enriched Skin Protection. It's a daily defense makeup mist. So I have put this on my skin already on top of my moisturizer and all of that, because it says that you can use it on top of your makeup or underneath. But we'll get into all of that shortly. But before we get started, I picked this up too. I'm not really reviewing it, but I just wanted, it's an honorable mention because you'll see it throughout the next, you'll see it from here on out. So this is a palm mixing palette basically. So I have my big one from Mikasa Beauty, and this one was $2, and it's cute. It velcros right on your hand. I just thought it's adorable, so will list the info below as always. Anyway, before we get started, what's up? If you are new to my channel, I'm Jen. Thank you for joining me. And if you're a returning viewer, what's up? What's good? How you been? Glad you made your way back. Don't forget to also to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified when I post, and help a girl out and hit that button, subscribe, please. Also, don't forget to give a big thumbs up if you enjoy this video, because it helps a girl out. So, smoochies, and let's get moving on this video. First things first, we're going to use this. Let me grab the box that it came in, and we will read the back info. Start with this, and actually let me read to you about the mist first. It says this fine facial mist is formulated with key antioxidants, licorice extract, and vitamin E for a nourishing layer of defense that helps protect your skin against everyday environmental aggressors. Also used throughout the day to refresh the look of makeup. Directions: used throughout the day, under or over makeup as often as needed. Hold bottle a few inches from face with eyes closed and spritz. Now, it's supposed to help against like pollutants, dust, smoke, and of course it's without paraben, sulfites, phthalates, and alcohol. Alcohol as well, so it's non-drying. Now, it did leave my skin a little slightly tacky, but that could be just moistening up my moisturizer. Sorry, tilt my camera a little more. Okay, anyway. So basically, I did put a layer down because it's supposed to protect your skin, so I thought I should put it down first, but I am going to use this in the middle, or when I normally use my coconut mist, my hydrating coconut mist that I like to use to reduce the dustiness midway through after I do all of my my foundation and powders and all that. So I will use this instead, and we will be checking in throughout the day as well, because I also want to see how this guy's doing. So let's read this box. It's the box, and it says HD Mattifying Balm, mirror and sponge included. So it says helps instantly minimize pores, mattify skin, and absorb excess oil for a shine-free, flawless look. Clear formula is infused with vitamin E, jojoba, almond, and grape to help nourish the skin. Directions: dab products onto oily areas of the skin to help remove shine. Use under or over makeup as often as needed. So it looks like this, and you open her up. Sorry, I have used it once before to try her out. And then it has another department below, which is where the sponge is. So if you want to pop it in your purse, you can, and keep it with you throughout the day. So today I'm going to use this foundation like brush. It's just a nice soft brush, and we're going to use this to apply it. I'm just going to tap in lightly, get a little on my brush, not too much, and then start stippling it into the skin. Obviously, if there are areas that I feel need a little more, I will just use my finger on those. It has no scent, just so you know. And it's going on really nice and easy with this brush. Like it doesn't, it's just going on really smoothly, no issues. Okay, now let's give her a feel. It feels really nice, really nice. Yeah, so far so good. So far on both products, I'll give them each a thumbs up. I am going to go ahead and finish doing my face as I am reviewing some other products, and I'll be back to give you some thoughts, and we'll do some check-ins. All right, I'll be back. Smoochies. Okay, so I'm back. I'm going to use this Beauty Shield Daily Defense Spray because I've hit, you know, I've done my foundation and powder and all that. So this is when I usually try to reduce the dust and pat it all in. Alrighty, so now I take my Powder Puff. Just press it in, and this helps my contour, bronzer, all that jazz blend into the skin better so I don't look so dusty. I've been blowing my nose from allergies, so I will touch that up at the end. Alright, so that's that. Everything looks much better in the skin. Yeah, so far so good. So I will be back. I'm going to finish up my makeup, and we'll talk. Smoochies. What's up, guys? I know my makeup's not done and so forth. I apologize. I did do check-ins on a couple of videos, and the footage came out warped, distorted. The mouth part, the sound was just off. Anyway, so I just wanted to let you know that my final thoughts on the spray as well as the balm, the mattifying balm. I like them both very much. I like the balm because you could stick it in your purse and it, you know, hit your face throughout the day. It did work okay on top of makeup as well. So 2 thumbs up on that. I thought it was a great primer and great for touch-ups throughout the day. And I really enjoyed the mist. I think it was nice. It wasn't real sticky or anything. It was great for a refresher, and just like I said, on those, you know, to get rid of that dust and such. How it overall works, like over time, I'm not sure, but as of right now, I do like them both. So 2 thumbs up on these. And once again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, because it does help me out. And help a girl out. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I need some loving over here. Trying to build this channel, and it really needs you guys to subscribe so I can monetize. Since I do this full time, this is my full-time job. Help a girl out. I love you guys, and I love our little family that we're building here. Thank you for spending some of your time with me, and until the next one, smoocheroos. Bye.